Alright guys, this is fitting with Crack Attack Auto Glass, and we're going to attempt to repair this chip right here. Hopefully the camera can focus on it. And what we're going to use today, I'm going to use my Delta kit, and we're going to try Diamond Clear by GT, medium viscosity. Alright, so first we're going to drill it out just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and attach the bridge. Like I said, we're using Diamond Clear medium from GT Tools. Alright, gonna take the dome off and start curing it. Alright, about to take it off and put some pit filler. I'll be using the pit filler from GT, Diamond Clear. Alright, I think it's good to go. Just take the carrying tab off. Trim it. Polish it up. Once again, we were using GT Tools medium viscosity Diamond Clear resin.